In this video series, you will learn how to set up your own Squidoo lens. Squidoo is a site that allows you to create your own page, and you use the included modules to give it the function you like. As soon as you set up your Squidoo account, you become what's called a lens master, and then you will craft your lens and make it look the way you want and have the functions that you want. Now, one thing about Squidoo that's different than some of the other sites like MySpace and etc. is that it's allowed for you to promote products on Squidoo. They don't care about that as long as you're not spammy and doing stuff like that. If you set up a proper site and are marketing a product, that's just fine with them. They also share revenue with you that is created off of your page. Well, the first thing we need to do is create an account. So right in the top here, click sign up, and then you fill out all this stuff, your name, desired username, and then you got to fill out the two parts at the bottom here. Okay, so once you've filled all that out, you put your 2 words in here. And then continue. Forgot to click the I accept. Make sure you accept the terms of service, and you can click on here to read it. And then you can sign up for any of their newsletters here if you want. And then click continue. Then you'll go to this welcome page, and right from here you can create a lens. Now you also will have received an email at the email account you set up and with an activation link in it, so you'll have to go and do that. Here's what it'll look like. So just click on the link and that will activate your lens. And there you go. Now it's going to ask you what your lens is about. So you go right into the lens creation process. So at this point you should have an idea of what you want your lens to be about. So let's make ours about Jack Russell Terriers. Go to step 2. Okay, and then it gives you some choices of what you want to do with your lens. Now you'll see here that you have 3 options. I want to get the word out, which is the easiest to set up. I want to sell Jack Russell Terrier stuff and earn money for me or for charity. And that's what I was talking about, the revenue share before. And I want to make a list of my favorite things about Jack Russell Terriers, most popular. We'll go through each of these options to show you the difference of what they do. So we'll just pick the first one here to show you what it does. So go to step 3. This is where you fill out the rest of it. Now it says to pick our URL, which is the link to our live site. This is where you should put something keyword rich in here. So we'll put in Jack Russell Terriers, like that. And now pick a category. There's lots of different categories you can pick. So ours would be animals and nature. And then you have to rate it. Now you are allowed adult material on Squidoo, but you have to flag it as being that. So ours is just general in this case. Go to step 4. This is where you put in your tags or keywords. Okay, so the best keyword for your lens, Jack Russell Terriers. And we could put Jack Russell. And something like that. Again, with the words you have to put in here. And here we go. Now we have the skeleton to our lens. Now down here, what you'll see are our modules that have been predefined for us by what we picked. So you have different modules, and here you have, first of all, introduction. Then you have an RSS module, a write module, where you can actually put content in, Amazon module, where Amazon stuff will show up, Flickr, where photos will show up, YouTube, where you can put YouTube vids in, a guest book, the Delico bookmark, a link Plexo, where you can add links, Amazon Plexo, and Google Blog. These are the ones that have been put in here by default, and you can actually put more in and take them out and rearrange them. And we'll go into how to set this up in the next video.